Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing the viral Korean makeup look. This is the look that I've created and I hope you enjoy watching this video. This look is all about flushed cheeks, lots of glowy highlighter, a very dewy glowy base and the viral glossy Korean lips. I'm going to take you through this makeup tutorial step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, I have my base prep and my lip prep done. I have very nicely done my skin prep. I have used a lip oil to prep my lips and keeping them hydrated. While we do the makeup lips, our lips will still be hydrated. And since this makeup look is all about the dewy and the glowy base, it's very important to prep your skin and moisturize your skin really well. The base is going to be all natural and very subtle. So I'm going to do a light layer of this foundation and then use a concealer. This foundation so that it looks natural and subtle. Swiss Beauty High Performance Foundation. It has vitamin C and niacinamide. I'm gonna take I've just taken one pump. The shade that I'm using is medium beige. I'm first gonna dot it all over my face. I think it's a good match, and then blend using a foundation brush. Look how easily that blended. You can obviously build this up, but you can see how natural my skin looks. I think we're going to stick to this because can you see how glowy my skin already looks? I'm going to use this concealer, this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. The shade that I'm using is 02. A light layer of this concealer. This concealer is actually really full coverage. I'm going to use the same brush and blend this out. I'm going to be applying a little bit of that same on my eyelids also, because we will be using an eyeshadow. So to set all of this base in, I'm going to be using a compact. This is the Swiss Beauty Oil Control Compact Powder, very apt for the summers. I'm going to take a little bit, dust off the excess. I love this brush so much. It's so soft and fluffy. It feels like it feels so soft on the skin. Love this brush for powdering. I'm just going to use this on the areas where I've applied concealer so that it's set and not on the whole face, because we want that glow, because we still want the glow. Okay, coming to eyebrows, since eyebrows are really like bushy, really just natural and bushy. So I'm only taking a spoolie to brush it and leaving it like that so that it looks natural. For the eyes, I'm going to be taking this palette and picking up this very pretty corally peach shade. I just need a light wash of color. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this contour shade and do a subtle wing to give that definition. Now we're going to actually be adding the glitter. So I'm going to take the highlighter from the same palette on my finger and only apply it in the center of my eyelids and right below it on my waterline. Don't worry, we're gonna intensify it later on. This is just a rough map that we're doing. Brush and blend so that the edges do not look harsh. We are adding some mascara. This is the Swiss Beauty Precision Thickening Long Lash Mascara. I'm gonna tell you a trick. Use the tip of the wand. We're gonna do this so that we get like really thin, precise strokes. Doing the same on my lower lash line. Let's bring the color back to our face. For that, I'm going to be using the contour and blush from the palette.
This is the Chicaboo palette that has a contour, blush and highlighter shade.
That's pigmented. This look requires a lot of blush. Don't be afraid to overdo it. I'm going to take the blush from here. And this also looks like a monochromatic look because the eyeshadow and the blush match. It looks in sync. You take a little bit on the nose highlighter from the palette onto the high points of our face, a little bit on the cheeks because then it's gonna look really glowy. Coming to a last step, which is lips, and for lips it's a whole process. For that, I'm going to use a concealer. I'm going to take some on the back of my hand. I'm taking a flat concealer brush like this one, cancel out any pigmentation, and so that we have a smooth blank canvas to work with. Focus it on the outer end of your lips. Use a fluffier brush to going to use some color on the inner portion of our lips. So for that, I'm using the Hold Me Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cute Nude on the inner corners and blending it out. Make sure you blend the lipstick really well so that it does not look harsh and it looks blended. Then lastly, we are adding a lip oil. You can add a lip oil. You can also add a lip gloss. Swiss Beauty's lip oil. This is the final result. And guys, we have come to the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to leave this emoji in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel for more such exciting content, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.